I'm going to invite Superintendent Brent Island, please.
I'm just conscious I'm getting in the way of these guys and you enjoying it, so I'll keep it fairly short. Thanks for letting me have a moment to speak. Welcoming seems to be the common theme. We are a welcoming city, we are a tolerant city, accepting city, we've got good cohesion. Sometimes there's things that people will let us down. Plymouth's seen a very tough 12 months period, but they've come back stronger. They're coming back stronger, and it's the work of people like Ozzy and the All Nations and putting on events such as this that will just pull people together, no matter what the heritage, no matter what the background, and bringing everyone together is what we aim for. Should there be a need for us to get involved, we've got a really good diverse communities team, and Jo, who is over at the side there, is happy to chat to anyone about any of those issues today. She's here all day. And I just want to say thanks very much for letting me come along and enjoy it as well. I am 6'6", so my dancing isn't as good as the Lord Mayor's. My brain doesn't talk to my feet that quickly. So thank you very much, enjoy the day, and please have a chat with Jo as the day goes on. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for everyone.